be very, very large. Not location, I want scale. Okay. I forgot, if it's less than 1, then you're scaling up to that. If it's greater than 1, there we go. Now either way, it's going to move. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to normalize to the middle of your screen, and then get the forward vector and rotate that forward. Well, actually, the vector, your forward vector, probably rotates with the camera, but I'm not sure. Try it with just the forward vector first, because with the forward vector is, I think it's 10 degrees or 10 units in front of the player, or 10 units in front of the camera. So if you get the forward vector, it should take care of it. If that doesn't work, then try rotating the vector by the camera rotation and see if that works. That's how I would approach this one. It's kind of weird. It's definitely a cool idea, and I could see how this would be a fun mechanic. Like if you were doing a puzzle game or something, be like, whoop. It's fun. I am ADD as hell. Okay. Hey, Crier, how you doing? There is a sloth in my chat. I am happy with this. More sloths need to be in chat. Yeah, it's been a while, man. Been a while. Hope you've been doing well. I actually wonder if more designers than just me sit there and go, you know what? I just don't know what the hell I'm doing. I have no fucking clue. Okay. Yay, sloths. That's one of my spirit animals. No problem, James. I'm happy to help. I'll keep looking at it. If you end up needing more help, let me know. I think that's going to be the best way to do it. Is making sure that you're getting the same, or you're getting the rotation, and taking that into account. Because most likely it's picking up, depending on whether you're doing world location or local location. It may be picking up that you have changed, and therefore it's like additive or multiplicative, and trying to take your new vector and adding it to whatever you were doing on screen. So yeah, you're getting world rotation. So basically it's taking whatever your yaw value here, and then I actually don't even see the screen port, or like the screen space portion of it. You're literally just getting you're getting the candle holders rotation. Okay, gotcha. And minus 180 minus 90 divided by 90 minus 1 greater than less than. Interesting. I will have another look at this at some point in time, or if you figure it out, let me know, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna probably set up my death state for my character here. That'll be what we do for the rest of the evening. Yes, update, blah blah blah, you already updated. Stupid thing. Okay, so How do you recommend me to make ability system with a lot of spawnable abilities for a lot of characters? I'm creating an actor which handle everything. Spawn an actor for just a function sounds stupid, but I need a timeline. Um, okay, so you want a actor, or you want characters that can all access, I'm guessing, an individual ability system. I'm creating an actor which. What do you mean an actor that can handle everything? Because if you are messing, if you're trying to set up character abilities, what I would do is create a data table. And in that data table, I would add individual rows for each of the abilities, what they do, blah, blah, blah. If they're damage abilities, then you add in the math for the damage and stuff like that based on how they scale. Um, Once you get that done, I would literally just use a function to call that inside of whichever character you have spawned. So, this isn't a perfect example because it's a little bit different the way I'm doing it because I've been lazy. But I don't know when the last time you were here is. So we're gonna go a little bit into this. This is actually our D&D system. I've been setting up a D&D race class selector with a bunch of different stuff. So if we come in here, and what we've got is initially class mod. It checks to see what your level is, branch, goes through, pulls an enumerator with the class, which the enumerator that I use is literally just a list of the D&D 5th edition classes, and then a list of the D&D 5th edition races. Based on the class, chooses a hit dice. Once you level up, it actually rolls the dice, which we have set up in another system. That's not important. Race modifier, so right now we've chosen two attributes of the character, which is race and class. Event begin play does a whole bunch of shit. Display stats, and then right up here is our stats that you have a bunch of custom events. Each one is its own individual statistic. Actor class which interact with everything, input, HUD, and stuff. Oh, you want like a character. Basically, you want a character that can interact with a bunch of other things. That's going to require multiple classes, honestly. What it's going to be is your character is going to have, or your controller is going to have your movement and you're going to want to implement a blueprint interface. And what that interface is going to do is allow objects that you want to be able to interact with to have this interface. In your character, what you will do is run your function that you want. Like, let's say you do left mouse button. Okay, so I'll always set up part of it because it would take a lot more for me to be able to do. Well, no, we can do it a quick example. Okay, so blueprint. We're going to go with blueprint interface. Let's see, interactable. Let's say we rename this to can be picked up. I love blueprint interfaces. They are one of the most amazing things ever. Let's give it a input of type string, and let's do object. But I don't like a blueprint ability set, which is create actor from class in 000. Are you talking about, like, let's say you're a summoner and one of your summons is to create an actor? So, like, you summon minion X, whatever. It's a monkey. A minion, no, a monkey sloth. Yes, a monkey sloth. You create a monkey sloth, and you summon it. And you would summon that in space 000. So what you would want to do is, in this case, How would I do that? I mean, typically I just spawn the actor inside of the character. Instead of creating a separate blueprint for it, I would just, like if you're doing a summon thing, I would just create a function. Hey, Cody, Matt, Minat, Cody, calling you Cody. Easier. Okay. First, let me finish this. So, let's say you wanted an interactable object. Since we're already on the discussion here, pick up a bull. Even though I actually already have one that works. So we got this. We're going to want to go to the event graph, go to class settings, and hit add. And we want interactable. That's the interface we just made. And so I'm going to make a can be wait, we can literally just nope, okay. So this does need to go into okay, fuck it. I've already technically got this already set up. I'm tired and cranky. There's hits. It was in here. Yeah, my interface. Okay, so I was right. So pick upable. Hit compile. Class settings. We need to go to where, oh, where are you? Okay, so there should be a event in here. So with this one, implemented can be attacked, have check armor. Where is my can be picked up? Call function can be picked up. Picked up. Why is this not working? You're being stubborn. Oh, where? That's not it at all. Let's see. Class default. No. It was class settings. Take off simulation. Interactable. Can be picked up. Compile. Save. Compile. Where are you? Why are you not working? Can be picked. Add event. Can be picked up. Boom. That's the one. Print string. Let's set this to just a cube with a box collision. Simplest setup ever. If it will let me. Okay. So we got this. This is going to be our little box here. third person character. We're not going to do that.